Okay, so let's take a look at the cleaning inspection app checklist. So this type of checklist app basically requires more structure for you to have in database. So what I will do is I will click on databases, create a new database. Now we will make use of Appsheet database. So by default we have untitled one. I will type in MyDB, create a new table, and here I'll rename this to cleaning inspection. Right, I will save this, remove unwanted table from the database and also the columns that I don't use. Now what I will do is I will just give this one a name with text type. I will just give it also label and then remove the unnamed column. Right, next is using email and type as, let's say, email. Next another column would be phone, so I will use phone number as, and then address where I have text as address. Right, next thing would be choosing, let's say, option of what is done and what is not. Right, so I will start with, say, house cleaning. Right, and also should be other options like floor. Right, so we can use cleaning done options. Right, so I will use the type here as enum list. So I will add value like, let's say, kitchen, then add floor, then rooms, then say pool, say lawn, and other, and we will have this saved. So this column alone should contain all the work done. You can also have date. Right, choose that and then give it date, time, date. Save this. Finally use notes. Just anything is missed, you can add that in notes. Right, so if we go back to dashboard here, if I click create, then app, start with existing data. Here I will name cleaning inspection. Right, and I will choose, let's say, planning project management. We'll choose our data, then Appsheet database, we'll choose database, and then table. We'll create the app. Right, now what I will do is I will just load the app. So here we will be working with some of the option of those inspection related options. Right, so adding them within the drop down is much better option. You can also separate them into columns if you want. So if I type in cleaning inspection list, I will go with tabular view in view type. I will remove sort by and group by. Right, once all of that is done, I will save this and click on desktop. So within this particular tab, I'll be adding my options. So let's say I'm working for some person. I will add that personal data here. Right, and I will just add random data. So I will just add the work done, kitchen, floor, and rooms. Right, now I will also add the date of yesterday. Right, and then I will save this. As you can see, this tabular data contains the cleaning inspection list of all the cleaning run options, kitchen, floor, rooms, date, notes, address, that person's name, all its personal data as well. So we kind of have this tabular structure, and we have created cleaning inspection checklist app using Google Appsheet.